Well, it's soaking now. Excessive rainfall continuing across the region. Many of us from late last night through this morning had anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. There's a snapshot from Margaret Johnson there in Stanton. This afternoon, many of us have added an additional 2 or more inches of rain, especially in the areas that are under either flash flood warnings or flood warnings. So the pink shaded area that you see here, these are all active flash flood warnings, the most serious because water is imminent and flooding in these areas. So never cross flooded roadways. Be mindful of your situation. If floodwaters threaten your location, be prepared to move to higher ground. That includes all of western Albemarle till 8:30 and right along either side of the Blue Ridge Mountains, eastern Augusta, western Albemarle, northern Nelson until 7:45. These may be extended or become flood warnings, and the flood warnings are over a larger geographical area. That includes all of Madison County, all of Greene, much of Rockingham County, and all of Nelson County, and we're likely going to see these continued well beyond their expiration times. Look at the radar. It's lit up like a Christmas tree, and we watch these bands and where they set up and move over the same areas. There's your excessive rainfall that continues with rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Thankfully, they're moving, but they're moving over saturated ground. So here we are in eastern Albemarle, out toward Lake Monticello, along Route 53, down toward Route 6. Again, those rainfall rates over 1 inch per hour. Here we are in the eastern portion of the county, out toward Blenheim and Overton, headed toward Keswick. Go a little farther to the west, you can see maybe a little let up in the action. Batesville, North Garden, you were hit hard earlier. And then we still have heavy rain through Greene County, lifting up from Boonesville and Albemarle along 340 up toward Elkton and Rockingham County. Heavier downpours here through portions of Orange into Madison County. All that is moving off to the north and northwest, all pinwheeling around a big area of low pressure that's off to our south and west. It'll just slowly weaken with time. So the first alert weather day, the flood watch continues, active flood warnings and flash flood warnings that will continue for several more hours. Just be mindful of your situation and do be prepared to move to higher ground. Temperatures right now are in the low and mid 60s. They won't move a whole lot for the overnight. Again, when we look at the Futurecast modeling, it's just trying to pick up on where those heavier bands of showers and thunderstorms are. Not that it'll be approximate, but we already know that's underway. After midnight, things should quiet down a bit. We'll begin kind of murky tomorrow morning, lots of clouds, some fog, maybe some drizzle, and then we'll break out into a limited sunshine, but then that'll give rise to scattered showers and some thunderstorms. They run over the same areas. We've got more flooding issues, plus we could have an isolated severe storm that could produce a damaging wind gust or some spotty hail. So there's kind of your planner for Wednesday. Lots of clouds, temperatures in the low and mid 70s, so numbers will come up a bit more with some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms during the afternoon. Thursday, Friday turn a little warmer, but that storm threat is still there. Maybe a little less on Thursday. Friday into Saturday is our next cold front that we'll watch as it works across the region with more storminess. Temperatures here tonight in the lower 60s. Active flood and flash flood warnings. Be mindful of your situation as we take a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, it's an unsettled stretch, but temperatures do turn warmer here for the late week. Friday night into Saturday is the next cold front that will bring some showers and thunderstorms, a little quieter by the tail end of the weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.